Say what's up, YouTube.
Oh, go like this.
Yes, YouTube.
Alright, what up, YouTube? It's gonna be officially day one of us starting the EG hatch build. So we have all the parts here laid out on the table. Got the engine, transmission, cars here. So I'm gonna give you guys a full kind of like, not like all the parts, but mostly all the parts, because we have everything. So I'll give you guys a quick, like the drivetrain setup, suspension. I got literally everything here. So I'm gonna give my brother the camera. I'm gonna talk about the engine a little bit and then what we're gonna do to it. So we have a K24 block, stock K24 TSX block. K20 head, it's a built head, springs, retainers, Ferrara valve, Skunk 2 stage 3 cams, 50-degree VTC, has a Skunk manifold, 72mm Skunk 2 throttle body, ID 1300cc injectors, with has a comp clutch stage 5 kit with a carbon synchros LSD Type S transmission. So this should hold, we have 150 shot of nitrous. I think this should hold all of the 150 shot. If not, we're gonna throw the rod out of the block. But 150 shot of nitrous, we're hoping to make about 400 horsepower. So I'm gonna let you walk through the parts that we have on the table because that's the stuff that you ordered.
We have a function 7 subframe brace along with control arms, wrinkle black the brake booster. I have a Speed Factory radiator, K2 shift box, K2 race cables, suspension, block suspension, high sport mounts, so much stuff. Got a bunch of Honda stuff, all the moldings.
You got a JDM cluster?
Yeah, I got a JDM cluster.
That shit is nice. So either way, you got Honda moldings here, control arms,
moldings, the roof moldings.
And I think these are axle box. These are insane shaft 500 horsepower axles.
We have a K-tuned tucked harness, OEM mud guards. We got a Skunk 2 alpha header.
What ECU?
We're gonna powder coat that. We have brand new K-Pro in the box.
You think this car's gonna dip out on?
Don't mind the boxes and stuff, right? A lot of stuff has been sitting for what, like almost 3, 4, no, probably
more
4
than
5
that,
months.
like 6 months.
But a lot of stuff here is brand new. Obviously, we're gonna clean up some stuff. Definitely gonna clean up the motor, put all new bolts on the motor. Gonna take the timing cover back off, reseal everything nice, put a brand new pan on it. Yeah, it's gonna be another nice build. So
400 horse.
yeah, did you show them the car already?
Yeah, I only seen the car in the last video, but so you decided what you're gonna do? Zinc plate, zinc bolts, or regular bolts?
Honestly, the color I have in my head, like I said, with the blue valve cover, I feel like the zinc might clash too much, but we'll try the zinc. I mean, we're gonna send out, the zinc yellow. So we're gonna send out some bolts over there that we have, get them coated yellow, and just kind of see like what looks best with the car. So
What kind of seats would you prefer to have in this car, if you were to pick?
my thing, I know the viewers, right? So I know you guys hate Recaros, I know you guys hate TEs, but you guys have to look at it this way, right? TEs is a respectable wheel. It costs anywhere between $2,500 to $4 grand for a set of wheels. And the seats too, same thing. The seats are about like almost $2 grand to $3 grand for a set of seats. So the reason a lot of these cars kind of look alike is what we can get right there and then, right? I can't, to get 4x100 CE28s tomorrow, it's gonna be tough. Like I'm gonna have to wait 3 or 4 months just to get a set of wheels, and we don't have that time frame to wait around for wheels. So
and same thing with the seats. If you want a blue Recaro,
like even just to go even find another set of red seats or black seats tomorrow, it's gonna be fucking impossible. You gotta make a post, and hopefully somebody has a set of seats. But I would like a blue set of Recaros in here, like a darker blue Recaro,
like the set that's in Fast Guy's car.
Like a Fast Guy's car, yeah. But that's gonna be fucking hard. But my second choice would be, if I can't get Recaros, maybe some blue S2000 seats in the meantime. I think it'll look good. Obviously, clean up the interior. I'm thinking about taking the back seats out, doing something a little bit different, and maybe run align the whole interior on the bottom white, and just kind of leave it with no back seats.
I ain't gonna lie to you. What car is worse, this car or the SI?
The SI. This car was clean. It looks dusty because of all the, I've been in the body shop.
Yeah.
But imagine this: white, nice vinyl liner interior, the color match to the outside, obviously, and then the nitrous tank powder coated the same color as the wheels.
Oh.
In the back.
And what about a cage painted the same color blue?
I gotta try to find a cage. If I can find a cage, I'll do it the same color.
All right, boys, that's gonna be it for today. Tomorrow we'll be back. This car's gonna be completely stripped. They're gonna take all the wheels off. He's gonna power wash underneath. We're gonna paint all the wheel wells, paint underneath. We're gonna basically start the process. This car's gonna be naked tomorrow. So I'll see you guys then. Good morning. Day 1 EG hatch build. Jared got the whole floor, all types of fucked up. Check this out. All the parts from inside the hatch are out. All the moldings, trim, plastics. Got the full exhaust down.
Did they see the car before?
Oh, they seen it.
Like inside?
Oh yeah, we showed it yesterday.
This morning I cleaned everything out, pulled the seats and everything back in the day.
This car, no you didn't, did you?
I like a clean slate.
Yo, this car was mint when it came, when we first first came in.
Yeah.
What's the plan for today, bro?
Rip and strip?
Today's obviously the dirtiest, like the grimiest day of the build. Like, the first week is.
Yeah, we gotta finish tearing the car down. So to paint everything, undercoat, all the wheel wells and stuff, paint the subframe, start getting new hardware put in everywhere.
We gotta pull full spindles, full suspension, got the full exhaust off, the stock one, undercoat all underneath here. Subframe has to come down, rack. I ain't gonna lie though, this car is really, really clean underneath.
It is really clean. And you know what the best part is? This
What?
car's already got a manual rack. I like it.
Oh,
I like it.
then we gotta go searching for parts too, because the manual rack, these pieces are different.
Yeah.
So underneath the car is pretty solid. Gas tank's super clean. Gonna use a power wash, get everything all cleaned up.
Where's this car originally from?
California.
Oh, that makes sense. Yeah. This shit's really clean. It sucks like there's all like, kind of overspray.
Usually, don't you see we usually see a lot of rust on the back bumper supports.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put rear discs on. Need to find some, if not 5-lug, right?
We need to find some rear discs, because you know how I feel about 5-lug, bro. Fuck that.
So every time Jarek has put a 5-lug on any car, somehow, some way, the fronts are usually different, the backs are straightforward. The front's usually like, you either have to put a spacer between the caliper, or like some weird ass shit always goes on.
Or you don't get a brake pedal. Remember?
Yeah, you don't get a brake pedal. I remember he did a 5-lug, we did a 5-lug on a car, brake pedal went to complete shit. It was my street car. Yeah, and then
that's where it all started.
It did.
When I started hating 5-lug was on that car right there. And then came your Type R, right?
All of them.
We changed the calipers.
Put spoon calipers.
It wasn't straightforward.
Yeah, and then I think we got the pedal after like a couple of days after we went back to it. So full strip today?
Yeah, full strip.
I hate this part of the build. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like
it's good. Like it sucks doing it.
It's grimy.
You see the transition. Like you see where this car is at and then what it's gonna be. That's what I like. That's what gives me motivation to do it.
It sucks because like I can't get everything, like literally everything. It's just super grimy. Like I promise you, after everything comes off, the floor is gonna be super dirty. Like everything has to come off. You can't leave anything underneath the car just to paint. So like the outside's painted, looks great, but this is literally the worst part of the build, is getting everything out, cleaned up, power wash painted.
The shit that they don't even see is like, you have to clean up all this loose shit here. Like we can't just fucking undercoat on top of that. We gotta clean all that up, and that's where it gets messy.
We got a long day ahead of us, bro.
You're looking nice and clean.
My hands is nice and clean, bro.
Yeah, what's going on, bro? You got problems.
Yo, Matt. Tell the viewers, what are you doing, bro?
This is the dirty shit that people don't see.
Come here, hold on.
This is what it takes to make your build to the next level. Power washing the bottom.
So the car's outside on
Power
dollies.
wash the bottom so I can undercoat it. So I can scrape it and undercoat it.
So now he's power washing the whole car underneath, wheel wells, that way everything's clean when we undercoat. But damn. I don't even want to show the guy.
This is like the fun part that nobody wants to do.
Fun part? Yo, Jack, I'll give it to you, bro. Day 1.
Shit sucks. The stripping's easy. This is little tedious shit.
Oh, I'm gonna start from I'll start from here.
After you get your car from a body shop, this is what it looks like. Full interiors like that, carpet and everything. So we gotta individually clean every little piece.
Everything is, everything.
That's not even it.
Everything's out though.
Everything's out, but
look at the floor though in here. There's shit everywhere. Seats, interior, got plastics, full exhaust, rear load control arms. We're not using the drums. Full brake lines are in here. subframe, like all this shit has to get painted. All got overspray on it.
That's got to get completely disassembled down to basically head and block.
So much work. But yo, you got a lot done first day here.
Tomorrow's gonna suck.
Today sucked too though.
Tomorrow.
The floor ain't, I thought the floor would have been.
It's a Cali car, bro. There's no rust. If that was a New England car, this shit would have been covered in rust.
So spindles are out, forks, spindles there, pile of parts there. This is literally just parts everywhere. So after power wash, what are we doing?
We're gonna put bed liner in the wheel wells and underneath, and I think we're gonna do bed liner inside the car to clean it up. That textured.
The texture, like the rhino liner stuff, right? That stuff is amazing.
I think we're gonna do no back seats in the car, and we'll just leave that exposed because it's gonna be so clean.
I don't know.
Nah, that shit's too nice, bro.
A lot of people in here that got kids, bro. Car seat in the back.
Like weekend car, you know, you get away from the kids, you know.
All right.
Perfect car for that.
Okay. My brother got OCD, 100% got OCD.
It's not OCD. Do you want a fucking undercoat over dirt?
No, I'm with you. I'm 100% with you.
Bro. It's not OCD.
You say he's not OCD?
He said it's not OCD?
Yeah, that's OCD. What you got for me?
Yo, what the fuck are you doing, bro? Yo, don't be stealing my tricks, alright? A little bit of WD-40. Check this out.
Oh, that's OCD at its finest.
Yeah, man.
Yo, don't be stealing my brother tricks though. I'm gonna show them a quick
WD-40, motherfuckers.
I'll give you guys a quick walk around the car. Yo, this thing is like, this is EM1 stripped. Check out this interior.
You know what the crazy part is?
What?
After 4 months, we finally got a fucking windshield to put in.
Oh yeah, because it was on back order when we first got the car.
But don't worry about the back. We're gonna power wash the back. We're gonna rhino line the interior.
Yeah, Jarek was saying, are you putting back seats back in?
No.
Jarek said no.
I'm gonna try to find a roll cage.
Let me show you guys the quarters. This shit is fucking dirty. Like it's not, there's no rust here, but it's just really dirty. Cali car, all the back is painted. I hate when people paint cars and don't paint the back of it. But can you give them the color? Just give people the color. People are gonna ask, what color is it? It's not the original color. It's not
Grand Prix white.
Grand Prix white. That's from what? S2000.
S2000 and NSX.
Yo, Grand Prix white, because you were asking. Because he's like, oh, it's not the regular white.
It's like a nice, crisp, clean white. Like this shit just pops.
Check out the other side quarter.
We're gonna call
I don't know if you guys can see that.
We're gonna call it cocaine.
Check this. Fucking camera takes a little bit to pick up, but
You gotta show them the shitty stages.
this is really shitty. Check this out. Yo, Jack, you weren't lying when you said you vacuumed the interior.
I went over real quick just to get the fucking dust out. Look at that dash. That shit's crazy.
Yeah, that dash is just straight dusty. It's super sunny out here. I can't really get it, but
This
this is the shitty stage of the build.
that sucks. But
We haven't even got to the rest of it though.
do you think it's gonna be back together?
Well, I know 100% he's gonna get the car, like the outside, suspension, engine together before you guys even think about getting interior together.
I need the paint crew and the cleanup crew to come in though.
You know what the crazy part is? Like when you sit down and look at a car like this, right? We know where every single bolt, every single clip, like we know where everything goes with our eyes closed, which is the crazy part.
So next stage from here is undercoat.
Yeah.
Let everything dry, and we got the full. We're gonna put the car suspension first or engine.
Apply suspension,
Alright.
subframe, all that stuff, and then what do you want to do first? Engine bay or interior?
How about this? Engine bay, and then while you guys decide what interior, what seats, right?
Paint inside.
Yeah, paint inside.
Oh yeah, paint inside.
Yeah. So that's pretty much it for today. Power wash the whole underneath of the car, wheel wells. We're gonna jack it up, get all under it. You power wash the engine bay. You're gonna power wash the interior, get everything really clean. That way we're ready for paint. And then that's pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.